Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your application on CarPlay. Sometimes you have the application that you don't use it and you don't want to use it, or it's bother you to see it on your CarPlay. So today I will show you how to remove it or to move it to the first page or second page on CarPlay. Let's go. See, we have application here, a lot of application. Let me show you. So we have those applications. So some application we don't use it at all. So if you want to remove it, let me show you now how to remove it, or to move it to other first page or second page, or make it only one page for yourself. Let me show you first step what to do. You should first you have to connect your iPhone to that CarPlay, and then you're gonna go to the settings on your iPhone. See here, you're going to the general, and then you go to the CarPlay, and already I connect from my CarPlay here. So I go to the custom, click it here, customize, and you can see it's here all the application that you have on CarPlay. So the first step is I'm going to show you how to move the application from first page. So you're going to choose a Telegram, and you hold it, the application, and scroll it up. You can see it here, it's already up. And then I'm going to show you on application here on CarPlay, and you can see a Telegram is there. So second step, if you wanted to delete it or to remove it from CarPlay, it's a very easy step. So just press this is minus, like a delete or remove. I mean, you remove it, and the application is gone. So if I'm gonna show you how to remove to remove all, like some application like this, the broadcast I'm using. It's okay, no need to remove it. I'll remove this one. Just wait for a minute. Remove it. And this is Zoom. I'm gonna remove it. WhatsApp I'm using. Waze I'm using. Team I'm gonna remove it. Calendar I'll keep it. Audiobooks I'll remove it at the moment. And that's all. That's all application I'm using right now for going work or going to around place like that. This is all I'm using. So I'm gonna show you all the application I have on my Apple CarPlay. See, you can see it's became only 2 pages. Before it was 3 pages. Now we're only 2 pages. You can scroll down on other one. So today, that's all for today, and I'm gonna see you for next video.